After Basil turned around, he saw Meng Lin standing behind him, looking at him with a smile on his face. Seeing Meng Lin, Basil's whole body was petrified. He was even trembling. For Meng Lin, Basil definitely hated him very much, but more of it was fear. Even the gods of destruction Vermont can beat him up, but he still expects to seek revenge from Meng Lin. Basil said that he still wants to live for a while. Therefore, after the Tournament of Power started, the three brothers had already decided that they would never meet Meng Lin. They even went as far as the 7th universe. As for the remaining 7 players of the 9th universe, Basil said that the three brothers had already reminded those 7 players. If those 7 people still keep their eyes open and provoke Meng Lin, then there is nothing they can do. But Basil didn't expect 510 to expect that after he eliminated a player from the 10th universe, his morale was boosted, and he was ready to perform well. Meng Lin actually found him. Basil was about to cry. He didn't seem to have offended Meng Lin, even in the Kunpeng competition fighting against him, not Meng Lin. Seemed that Vegeta was. But why did Meng Lin come to find himself? Even if you want to find it, you should find your big brother Belgemo. Hen facing Meng Lin, any brotherhood had already been thrown aside by Basil. As long as Feng Lin doesn't come to deal with him, what Belgemo, what Lavata, what big brother and second brother, Jessil said he doesn't know anything. Meng Lin, I don't seem to provoke you, just let me GD. Basil looked at Meng Lin, trembling, and his whole body his voice was also trembling. He's called Basil, and he got really good legs. Loot now, Basil's legs were trembling uncontrollably, and he didn't kneel down to Meng Lin on the spot. This is Alriac good performance of Basil's leg SKL. Although you didn't offend me, one think your 9th universe are a bit upset, so let's take your first. But you don't have to be afraid, your 9th universe has been targeted by me, and soon your companions, as well as your universe's Suprankai and gods of destruction, will come to accompany you. Meng Lin looked at Basil and said with a smile. And Meng Lin's smile SM left. Bashir's size is simply the Devi. On the other hand, Napapa looked at Meng Lin and Basil with blank faces. Tui had no idea what happened. He was struggling with this orange husky in front of him, and suddenly a man appeared, and Basil stopped fighting him. Moreover, Napapa was also shocked to find that Basil, who was tied with himself and even faintly suppressed himself, saw this person who suddenly appeared in front of them, if a mouse had seen a cat. Terrified, don't know what happened between the two of they. However, Napapitis is not interested in the matter between Meng Lin and Basil. He only knows that Basil is turning his back on him now. His is a great opportunity. Napapa rubbed his hands together, planning to move towards Basil. This guy, my prey, you should find someone's size. Meng Lin, who was facing Napapa, saw Napapa's actions at once. He looked at Napapa and said lightly. Soon Basil turned around and saw that Napap was planning to sneak attack him. Basil didn't feel angry and even felt a little grateful for Napapal. He would rather be attacked by Napapa and have a fight between the two than face Meng Lin. And what Meng Lin said made Napap very upset. Obviously, he was one fighting Basil, but Meng Lin suddenly appeared and wanted to snatch away his opponent. How could Napana allow this to happen? Tutlust when he was about to yell at Meng Lin, and even planned to attack Meng Lin. Meng Lin looked directly at Napaps. With just such a glance, Napapa only felt that he was being followed by a Deming. He quickly stayed away from Meng Lin and Basil, never wanting to face Meng Lin again. What Basil is it important to have our own safety? Second Napapa running fast. Basi was already desperate. He knew that next would face Meng Lin alone. I know I can't escape this time, but can you please let me jump off the thing by myself? Basel begged to Meng Lin. Okay, yes, Meng Lin nodded happily in agreement. Real, with Meng Lin's consent, Basil couldn't believe it. He just said this with a mentality of giving it a try, never thinking that Meng Lin would be able to agree. Thank you, thank you. Lasil thanked Meng Lin, and then walked towards the edge of the ring. From the looks of it, I really intend to jump off the ring on my own initiative. However, just when Basil walked to the edge of the ring and was about to fall off the ring one step further, he suddenly turned his footsteps and ran desperately in the other direction. Basil would not give a castle. What he said just now was just to paralyze Meng Lin. He thought the probability of him escaping in front of Meng Lin is infinitely close to zero, but he is really unwilling to let Basil jump off the ring on his own initiative. He's going to have one last fight. Lasil ran forward desperately, not daring to look back, fearing that when he turned around, he would see Meng Lin chasing after him. However, something that made Basil desperate still happened. Basil only cared about running forward, not looking for anyone blocking in front of him. Just like that, Basil suddenly bumped into someone and was knocked hard to the ground. Looking up, Basil saw Meng Lin standing in front of him, looking at him with a sneer. Obviously, Basi bumped into Meng Lin just now. With Basil's running speed of 3.7 degrees just now, once he bumps into someone, at least, he can make the person hit move his body. But Meng Lin, moving at all. Seeing Meng Lin again, Basil had completely given up resistance, and he knew that he could no longer run. Had been the case, even if you were going to be eliminated, an honor to be eliminated. Asil stood up from the ground and kicked Meng Lin hard. It was his full kickle. When Basil found that his kick had exceeded his limit and was definitely his strongest kick ever. Loot then, a scream came from Basil's mouth, and then he saw Asil, covering his legs, falling to the ground and rolling around. Turned out that Basil kicked Meng Lin with a breakthrough kick just now. Not only did Meng Lin not even move, but Tu Hongxia's own leg was kicked off. Leg skills Basil, your legs don't seem to be doing well. Looking at Basil, who fell on the ground and rolled all over the floor, Meng Lin said with a sneer. Afterward, Meng Lin didn't want to torture Basil anymore, grabbed Basil's foot with one hand, and threw him directly under the ring. Basil, who was thrown off the ring, was directly teleported to the auditorium of the Ninth Universe. Waste. Looking at Basil, who fell on the ground, Supreme Kai of the Ninth Universe said very angrily. Although he knew that Basil couldn't be blamed, who made him unlucky to meet Meng Lin. However, Supreme Kai from the Ninth Universe still wanted to vent his inner anger and unhappiness. But Gods of Destruction Sidra from the Ninth Universe is much better, and he specially asked Angel Mogito to heal Basil's leg. After Lilip, Basil became the second contestant to be eliminated in the power tournament, which is very ironic. Afterwards, the Grand Priest announced that Basil was eliminated, and the two Xeno took out TH tablet, found the Ninth Universe, and then wiped Basif's head. Bashir's elimination did not attract much attention to O5 because wars broke out everywhere in the ring. A few minutes before the power tournament started, the Ninth Universe and the 10th Universe each eliminated on. Contestant, Lover, the Ninth Universe, which is targeted by Meng Lin, has players eliminated one after another. Afterwards, Meng Lin began to look other players from the Ninth Universe in the ring. The one chosen by Meng Lin first, of course, was Lavenda, whom he had met, the Panorama competition, and Belgemo, who played against each other. But Lavenda and Belgemo chose one of them first, Lavenda. 2 places, so Meng Lin. This time, Lavenda was having fun with a player from another universe. Because no one can be killed in the Po tournament, the power of Lavenda poison amited a lot. At best, he can only use poison to confuse other people's eyes or make them faint. Andy Lavender's opponent also had a little bit of strength, edged left and right, and didn't let Lavender's poison be poisoned. For a while, the battle fell INTC. Stalemate. Yo, Lavata, show your momentum in the Panoram competition. I don't remember but your poison is only so small. Suddenly, Menellin's voice sounded behind Lavenda. Start lead. Lavenda. Avanda looked back and saw Meng Lin standing behind him, looking at him with a smile. Meng Lin. Seeing Meng Lin, Lavenda panicked. Like Basil, Meng Lin left a great psychological shadow in Lavender's heart. After all, Menellin's performance in the Panorama competition was really terrifying. He smashed all the bones in Belgemo's body, and ALSS hanged and beat the Gods of Destruction Vermit of the first universe. Therefore, ignorance is a kind of happiness. The other contestant, Genivers, didn't know how strong Meng Lin was, so seeing Meng Lin, they just regarded him an ordinary contestant. Even Napapa dared to attack Meng Lin. But Bergamo, Lavender, and Basil, the three players who have seen the strength of Meng Lin, are different. Facing Meng Lin, Taze can help but tremble and fear. Fighting with Meng Lin, even if you give _Avinda 100 more guts, you won't dare. Therefore, Lavender released all his poisonous gas towards Meng Lin, hoping that the poisonous gas could block Meng Lin a little bit. Lavender immediately turned around and ran, wishing H could have few more legs. At this moment, he is very envious of his younger brother Basil because Basil has a pair of powerful legs and the speed of escape simply very fast. Because the ring before some huge, and the place where Basil was, distance away from Radha. Seen eliminated by Meng Lin. Therefore, Lavender didn't know that his younger brother had. For others, the poisonous gas of Lavata is so deadly that they dare not touch it at all. But for Meng Lin, these poisonous gases are no different from the air on the earth, except that here is an extra purple color. Then, Meng Lin took a deep breath and swallowed all poisonous gas released by Lavender. With immortality and healing ability, these poisonous gas disappeared without a trace after being sucked into Meng Lin's body. And Lavender also delayed Meng Lin for a little time because of the poisonous gas, and he didn't know where he went. Loot. This is not a big problem for Meng Lin. Meng Lin directly sent an instant transmission to Lavender's side. TTHIS time, Lavender had already gone to a place with a Lord Orsipal, because it was not convenient to Meng Lin to find him in a crowded place, although Tommen may attack him or even besiege him. But for Lavender, no danger. As you don't face Meng Lin, there. The place with Meng Lin is the most dangerous placo. Your poisonous gas smells good. Do you still have any more? At this moment, Meng Lin's voice sounded beside Lavender. AHL, Lavender is going crazy. Why can't he get rid of Meng Lin? Why does Meng Lin torture him like this? DB I didn't offend him at all. Moreover, according to Meng Lin's words, the G poisonous gas that he released with all his strength, the poisonous gas that could melt several planets, was actually eaten by Meng Lin. And it got a good taste review. What a humiliation this is to him. But there was way. Lavender didn't even have a little face in front of Meng Lin. No matter how humiliating he was, he could only endure it. Meng Lin, please let me go. L1 didn't offend you at all. Why do you insist on holding Mel? Avanda looked at Meng Lin and Bejisi. Ike Basil, this is the most depressing thing for Lavender. H has never offended Meng Lin at all, so why does Meng Lin insist on torturing him? Could it be the reason why he poisoned Son Goku at the last Panorama conference? Or could it be that Son Goku and Meng Lin have a good relationship, so they want to avenge Son Goku? This is the only possibility that Lavender can think of. You didn't offend me, but who made you from the 9th universe? Your Supreme Kai from the 9th universe is very arrogant. Meng Lin looked at Lavender and sick. In just when Meng Lin was about to take Lavender off the ring, suddenly, several people rushed towards Meng Lin. Lavender, are you alright? These people came to Meng Lin and then said to Lavender. These people are the other contestants of the 9th universe. You guys 90, Lavender said to those people. Although they are not familiar with these people or even know each other, they are from the 9th universe after all. Can't let Meng Lin wipe OU 9th universe at this moment. Lavender finally showed some highlights of being a member of the 9th universe. Because Lavender knew that since Meng Lin had found him at the beginning of the Tournament of Power, he would definitely not be able to escape this time. It's not a big problem to eliminate by yourself. After all, there are still 9 people left in the 9th universe. But once all the people from the 9th universe are eliminated, then the 9th universe will be finished. Therefore, for the sake of the 9th universe, and also for the sake of his own life, Lavender cannot let Meng Lin eliminate all the people from the 9th universe. Don't worry, Lavata, as long as we work together, this guy won't be a problem at all. One of the members of the 9th universe patted Lavender on the shoulder and said confidently. Now here, plus Lavender, there are 4 people from the 9th universe. He didn't believe that the 4 of them joined forces and couldn't defeat Meng Lin alone. You don't know anything at all. Lavender looked at the others and said, with split look, to explain the strength of Meng Lin to others, Tim simply does not allow it, so Lavender gave up this idea. Moreover, Meng Lin's strength is hard to believe for someone who has never seen I. Hollow circle a person who doesn't know Meng Lin, who doesn't know Meng Lin's strength, tell him that Meng Lin can even destroy Shendu, and it is probably good enough that others don't treat him as an idiot. I said, have you discussed it? Are you going to besiege M alone, or should you single out a group of you? Meng Lin balked at Lavender, warned, and said, with Meng Lin's strength, he could blow Lavender and the Tahars off the ring with just one breath. And once transformed into Super Saiyan God, who willed his opponent in the ring. Even Jiren can't stop him. If that's the case, the strength conference, which will last 48 minutes, is estimated to end in less than a minute. But Meng Lin doesn't want to do that. On the one hand, it's quite interesting to use his strong strength to plow against other universe contestant. I thought there is no need for a giant dragon to waste him with an ant, just kill the ant directly. Loot when the dragon feels very bored, it is still possible to plow with the ants, at least to pass the time. Moreover, if Meng Lin really let the panorama match end within a minute, the Vozino would definitely be unhappy, not to mention anything else. They hold the Tournament of Power, on the one hand, to clear the lost universe, and on the other hand, to have fun from the Tournament of Power. If Meng Lin ends the Tournament of Power directly, Xeno W have no fun at all. Although they won't 23 anything to Meng S, it is estimated that they will vent their anger on the 7th universe. So, for various reasons, Meng Lin gave Lavender and the others so much time to discuss. Because, Meng Lin thinks, playing with other universe players is really quite interesting. It's not easy to have a strong strength. If you directly trust their people, wouldn't it be meaningless at all? Lavender looked at Meng Lin and didn't speak. Later, Lavender released poison gas at Meng Lin again, and they turned around and ran away. Lavender felt that he and the other 3 people must not stay together. Otherwise, they would be wiped out by Meng Lin. And if he escapes, or Meng Lin come after him, then the remaining 3 people will be safe for the time being. Or, Meng Jin will throw the remaining 3 guys out of the ring so that he can be safe for the time being. Anyway, no matter which situation Meng Lin chooses, at least one party will be temporarily safe. It has to be said that in order to see CEP as many contestants as possible from the 9th universe, Lavender really worked hard. This time, however, Lavender's strategy was unsuccessful. Before Lavender ran far, Meng Lin had already caught up. As for the poisonous gas, Meng Lin had already swallowed it. Saint least not I ate those poisonous gases pollute the. After catching up with Lavender, Meng Lin stretched out a hand and grabbed Lavender's Talil, then threw him directly in front of the other Trek 9th Universe POPLC. How is it possible? Lavender, who fell to the ground, couldn't believe I. Deviously, after using this trick before he escaped a long way. But why didn't it work this time? Lavender, let's go together. Just before Lavender figured out why, the remaining 3 people had already rushed towards Meng Lin. I have to say that players of the 9th universe really have quite a lot of weird moves. There is a female contestant who looks like a cat, and her claws are very long. There is another player who can send something similar to a SLK thread from his hand, which can restrain the opponent. Lower, these people's attacks were of no use to Meng Lin. He couldn't even touch Meng Lin Yi. Lavender, we will help you out. At this moment, several people suddenly ran over from a distance. The leader is the eldest brother of Basil and Lavan's, Belgamo. Belgamo arrived with the rest of the 9th universe and stood with Lavender. Meng Lin counted, except ACF Basil who has already been eliminated, the remaining 9 people from the 9th universe are all here. Where's #Basi? Why isn't he Herald? El Gemo looked around and found that everyone else had arrived, except Basit. You said Basil, he is watching you from the audience right now, cheering for you. Meng Lin pointed to the auditorium of the 9th universe and said to Belgamo. The 9 people from the 9th universe looked at TH's auditorium of their own universe, and found that Basil was already sitting there, watching them. Said Belgamo, did that angel from your universe save you? Otherwise, all your bones were broken by me. How could you recover so quickly? Qian Lizhao, looking at the lively Belgamo, Meng Lin guessed. He ninth inverse is not as powerful as fairy beans. Logic speaking, it is impossible to get 10 Belgamo to recover so quickly, unless Angel makes a move. Meng Lin, everyone from our ninth universe is here, and I want to fight you one last time. Belgamo looked at Meng Lin and said with gritted teeth. Le knew that Meng Lin was very scary, but sooner or later, they would be found by Meng Lin. Rather than being approached by Meng Lin at that time, it is better to take the initiative to attack. Man, if you lose, you have to lose a little more domineering. Let's go. With Belgamo's order, the 8 remaining members of TH 9th Universe all rushed towards Meng Lin. Not surprisingly, even though he was besieged by 9 people, Meng Lin still looked calm and breezy. He stood still alongside and moved. All the people flying toward IIM flew upside down and fell down the ring. The 8 contestants of the 9th universe surrounded Meng Lin in this way, and then they used their moves and skills on Meng Lin respectively. However, their attacks were simply useless. Instead, all 8 of them were sent flying by Meng Lin. Seeing his companion being beaten, Belgamo did not choose to challenge Meng Lin alone. He still had a fresh memory of how he was crushed by Meng Lin in the competition, and he didn't want to have such an experience again. Let's attack from a distance together. Don't approach him, Belgamo said to the other 8 people. Good. The others nodded and then cast their long-distance moves one after another. Lavender released poisonous gas at Meng Lin, and some others released something like silk thread, and some released freezing light, and Belgamo also released a hug ball of light at Meng Lin. The attacks of the 9 people came toward Meng Lin Fei from all directions, attacking up, down, left, and right. Meng Lin has been completely blocked by the attacks of the 9 people. Of course, these attacks were of no use to Meng Lin, so Meng Lin just waved 603. The gust of wind generated by waving directly blew away the attacks of the 9 PP. That's right, 9 people together. Enough attacks to cause huge troubles. Law others just waved B Meng Lin, and it was gone. Was as if Meng Lin just waved away AF. What? Those who didn't know Meng Lin's strength couldn't believe Thane EVS when they saw the scene. This is the attack they launched with. So easily solved by one person. There's Trinath. It was, but Belgamo and Lavanda were not surprised at all because they already knew Meng Lin's strength. They will only be surprised if Meng Lin is going to be caught by these attacks. He 9 joined forces, but they couldn't even get Meng Lin to leave the spot. The gap in strength between them is so large that people feel desperate. And at this time, Belgamo suddenly thought of a good idea. Hail, you released the attack just now again, but this time, the target of your attack is Mel. Belgamo said to the other 8 people. I got ITL, let's attack Big Brother. Lavender understood what Belgamo was going to do at once, and he also shouted at the others. Thus thought it was weird, but since Belgam and Lavender said so, then they could just follow suit. All 8 people except Belgamo launched an attack on Belgamo. After Belgamo was hit by these attacks, not only did he not get hurt, but his body became bigger and bigger, and his aura became stronger and stronger. My elder brother has special skill. He can absorb other people's attacks and transform them into his own power. The more he absorbs, the stronger he will be. Eyeing the blank looks of other PEOPLC, Lavanda C explained. So you are useless now, you can all go down to me. Suddenly, Meng Lin's voice rang Radha's cars. Before Lavanda could react, Su felt that he had been kicked and flew out. By the time Lavanda realized it, he was already sitting in TH audience of the 9th universe. And beside him sat other people from the 9th universe, total of 9 people. In other words, except for Belgamo, the 9th universe player who are in the ring, all other players have been eliminated. 9th inverse, it seems that you will be the first universe to be eliminated. The 7th universe's auditorium, Beerus shouted at TH 9th universe. He hadn't forgotten that Supreme T from the 9th universe was arrogant and presumptuous the panorama competition. Relying on being the supreme Kai of the 9th universe, he is actually disrespectful to Shendu, the destroyer of the 7th universe, Afbal. Akruz has been unhappy with him for a long time. If the other party is Supra Kai, gods of destruction cannot destroy Supreme Kai, it will. The Supreme Kai of the 9th universe has already been destroyed by Beerus. Herefore, seeing that the 9th universe eliminated so many people at once, Beerus certainly would let this opportunity go and taunted the 9th universe fiercely. Supreme Kai from the 9th universe is not in the mood to deal with Beerus now. They only have one player in the universe. Belgame CF Belgamo is eliminated again, then TH 9th universe will really be over. Beljamal, don't get entangled with that guy. We only have you as a contestant in the 9th universe now. You have to be steady until the end. Supreme Kai from the 9th universe yelled at Belgamo in the ring. Understood, because Lord Wang Shen. Elgamo responded to Supreme Kai from the 9th universe, and then fixed his eyes on Menglir. Just when Menglin thought that Belgamo was going to attack him, he didn't expect Belgamo to escape. Belgamo, who has absorbed so much power and has become stronger. I just escaped like this. He doesn't even have the intention of fighting Menglin. It turned out that Belgamo let other people from the 9th universe attack him and let him absorb their power, not to be able to fight Menglin, but to be able to escape faster. As for fighting with Menglin, Belgamo doesn't think he can fight Menglin with his current strength. He is still very self-aware. Lower, before Belgamo ran far, he discovered how he couldn't run. Looking back, saw that my tail was being held by Menglin. I said, you absorbed so much power just to escape. Menglini said while grabbing Belgamo's tail. Afterwards, Menglin exerted a little force and directly mashed Belgamo, who was more than a lap taller Thar himself, to the ground. Forget it. Anyway, there are no interesting guys in your 9th universe, so I won't torture Wo anymore. Let's give you a good time. Originally, Menglin wanted to wave Belgamo like a whip for a while. After thinking about it, forget it, it would be embarrassing if Belgamo was accidentally killed. Menglin just threw Belgamo back, directly throwing Belgamo out of the ring. Afterwards, Belgamo also appeared in the 9th universe audience. So far, altar contestants from the 9th universe have been eliminated. Our universe players have all been eliminated, that is to say. Supreme Kai of the 9th universe cried out in terror. He couldn't even imagine what would happen next. The 10 contestants from the 9th universe have all been eliminated. The 9th universe lost the power tournament and will be cleared by Masters, and the 9th universe became the first universe to be eliminated after the tournament of power began. Moreover, only a few minutes have passed since the start of the power tournament. The last to last universe deserves to be the last to last universe, and they fully demonstrated their demeanor as the last to last universe in the power conference. As the Grand Priest announced the elimination of the 9th universe, Supreme Kai of the 9th universe panicked, and he quickly wanted to ask Xeno for forgiveness. However, the two Xeno simply wouldn't give him that chance. I saw the two Xeno raised one hand, respectively, and a dazzling light radiated from their hands. Then, under the watchful eyes of other universe contestants, gods of destruction, and Supreme Kai, everyone in the 9th universe except Angel disappeared into the audience. Even destroying Shendu is no exception. Gods of destruction masters destructive energy and can destroy everything in the universe. It is a very terrifying existence. However, in front of Xeno, the gods of destruction are no different than those who fear gods of destruction. If you say it is cleared, it will be cleared, and there is not even a little resistance. Moreover, not only those people in the 9th universe auditorium, but the entire 9th universe has completely disappeared in such a short moment. Poor 9th universe, those who are still in the universe dawn, now what happened, how they were cleared out inexplicable. They don't even know they've disappeared. The disappearance of the 9th universe stunned all the universes present, especially those gods of destruction. Although they know that Xeno has the ability to clear all universes, including them, gods of destruction. But they haven't seen it after DLE, they just know that there is such a thing. But now, living universe just disappeared in front of them. This has a huge impact on the gods of destruction. They are gods of destruction, so what if they can destroy everything in the world? They are existences that have not been cleared at any time in front of Xeno. Originally, Om universes had a fluke mentality, thinking that even if they lost, Eno would not necessarily destroy TH universe. But now they know that if they lose, they will really be destroyed. Whis, how is the situation in the 9th universe? In the auditorium of the 7th universe, Beerus said to Whis. In the side, even the voice trembled. Though they have Meng Lin in universe, they will definitely win this tournament of power. But as seeing a Nivus disappear in front of his own eaves, ever Beerus couldn't calm down. Ah, the Int universe has completely disappeared into TH universe space. Whis looked at the staff and said to Beerus. In the staff, the place where the 9th universe was originally scat is now empty. If someone does not know the situation, it is simply unbelievable that there was universe in this place. Master Xena is really amazing. Fortunately, our universe has Meng Lin. Otherwise, our universe would have a great possibility to become like this. Beerus couldn't help shivering even though he knew it was impossible. He couldn't help shivering when he thought that the 7th universe would become like the 9th universe. Beerus couldn't help being thankful that Meng Lin was in their 7th universe, and the 7th universe didn't have to have such a tragic end. Not only those Joes gods of destruction and supreme Kai, but also those contestants who participate in the tournament of power in the arena were even more surprised, and a fork suddenly appeared. Four must know that the fate of the entire universe rests their hands. If you lose, your universe will disappear instantly like the Nint universe. Not even a scum will remain. There was silence or the ring for a while, and then, a batti hat was more intense than before, which took place. Secking the ending of the 9th universe with my own eyes, EACF these contestants did not save their own strength. In case they were knocked down by others before they showed their true strength, they would regret it to death. On the other side, Meng Lin, who was looking for his next target, was blocked by a purser. Incidentally, the person standing in front of Meng Lin is also Haskell. If he hadn't known that the 9th universe had been cleared, Meng Lin might have wondered if this guy was Belgamo's fourth brother who had been missing for many years. The reason why this person came to Meng Lin was not because he had any hatred for Meng Lin, but because he simply regarded Meng Lin as his opponent and wanted to beat Meng Lin down. Ask for flowers. DH, that person seems to be someone from your 40 universe. How could he be so unlucky that he found Meng Lin? Oh, what a pity. In the audience, Beerus taunted the gods of destruction Quaitla. From the 4th universe. Here has always been a confrontation between the 4th universe and the 7th universe, which is different from the 6th universe. Who made two universes of gods of destruction, one is a mouse and the other is a cat. It's strange that they can get along peacefully. Herefore, when people who saw the 4th universe found Meng Lin, Beerus was delighted and offended Meng Lin. The 4th universe is not far away from being eliminated. Hail Shosal, get away from me quick don't mess with TH, guy. Lutela was naturally displeased with Beerus' taunt, but he had no way to refute. Herefore, he could only shout loudly to Siosa in the ring. Afraid that because she has offended Meng Lin, he was really all Lin would focus on their 4th universe. Lord gods of destruction, don't worry. Watch me beat TH guy down. But what Quaitla didn't expect was that Siosa wanted to show himself at this time. Quaitla is so angry. Does this stupid guy know that what he loves will bring disaster to their universe? Le never thought that there would be such a deadly guy in their 4th universe. And still pull the whole universe to dig together. And just when Quaitla wanted to shout at Siosa again, Meng Lin had already acted. Said, do you know the 3 Husky brothers from the 9th universe? Meng Lin's voice rang in Cosa's car, and he had already come to Cosa's side. Huh, Husky. Zhao Sa didn't react immediately, and blurted out. This is a kind of dog. You are really similar to the 3 Huskies from the 9th universe. Could it be that you are actually from the 9th universe? They are their Lona lost brothers. Meng Lin continued. This time, Zhao Sa finally came to his senses. He quickly jumped aside, looking Meng Lin with a shocked face. You, when did you come to my side? Siosa was very shocked and said that he didn't know when Meng Lin came over. However, Afterward, Cao's expression changed, from shock to anger. What did he hear just now? He actually heard Meng Lin say that he is a dog. And he is a brother with the people from the 9th universe. You must know that he is a native of the 4th universe, and he is not a dog, but a wolf. A domineering and ferocious wolf. What is it if Meng Lin is not insulting him by saying this? Cao was furious, and being dazzled by the anger, he didn't care how Meng Lin came to him. Now he just wants to give Meng Lin a good beating and get out of the ring. Aha! Cao quickly rushed towards Meng Lin, waving his fist while rushing, but Xiao Sa thinks that he is too very fast. 523, in front of Meng Lin, no different from the speed of a tortoise. Anyway, T is just one word, false. Before Cao came in front of him, Meng Lin punched out directly. He wind of Meng Lin's punch hit Cao directly, and Sir Cao far away. Or such a small roll, Meng Lin was not interested at all, and he didn't even bother to knock him out of the ring. For a guy as weak as the opponent, some people car knocks him out of the ring. It's better to find some interesting guys to play with. Lower, just when Meng Lin was about to leave, he suddenly found Cao lying motionless on the ground if he was already dead. Oh, so it was such an idea. Meng Lin socked at Cao, who fell on the ground, showing a playful smile. Deviously, Cao is playing dead. Because there is a rule in the power conference that POF cannot kill people, otherwise they will be eliminated directly. So Cao felt that as long as he pretended to be dead, Meng would definitely be very scared, and then he would come over to check. When the time comes, he will sneak attack directly and knock Meng Lin off the ring. What a perfect plan. He, going to wipe out everyone in the other universes with this plan. In just when Cao was fantasizing about his plan, she suddenly felt a sharp pain in his hand. His sharp pain was too strong. Ziad couldn't hold back. And yelled out, "Why, aren't you already dead? Do dead people still feel pain?" Meng Lin looked at Cao on the ground and said with a sneer. Under his feet was still Shosa's hand. Afterwards, Meng Lin stepped on it again, and just his other hand was also broken by him. Then, Meng Lin stepped on Cao's 2 legs and broke them, not paying attention to Cao's screams and begging for mercy. Since you want to pretend to be dead, you have to pretend a little bit. Although it is forbidden to kill people in the power conference, it does not say that people cannot be beaten into cripples. And, anyway, with Angel around, no matter how serious the injury is, he can recover, so Meng Lin didn't have any psychological burden for torturing Cao. Cao's limbs have been trampled off, and Meng Lin has no interest in him anymore. Meng Lin kicked Cao, directly kicking Xiao Sa out of TH ring. After falling off the ring, Cao was directly teleported back to the auditorium. HMPH, I told you not to provoke that Pusk, but you didn't listen. What, is it that my words, gods of destruction, are useless now? Looking at the very painful Shiaksa, Quaitla said with a sneer. But after that, the picture. Not to ask Angel to heal Xiao. In the ring stage, Meng Lin, who had dealt with Cao, was about to find other people to play for a while, when suddenly a figure ran towards him. Brother Meng Lin. Broly came to Meng Lin and said to Meng Lin with respect and admiration. Since Meng Lin helped Broly away, and then took him to the earth, Broly treated Meng Lin like a bear brother. In the past, Broly only listened to his father, Paragus, but now he only listens to 10 people from Meng Lin. Why did you come here? You go to fight with other people, don't follow me. Meng Lin said to Broly. I'm just kidding. If Broly has been following him, how can have fun playing with a small tail? No matter what you do, you will feel a little unafraid. Alright, although Broly really wanted to follow Meng Lin, but since Meng Lin saw so, Broly had no choice but to follow Sui. He didn't want to make Meng Lin angry. Suddenly, person pushed over and kicked Broly. Broly was kicked out of the air by this kick. Broly, you still need to be more careful, situations like this happen again. This arena, don't let her. Meng Lin looked at Broly, who fell on the ground and said. Just now, Meng Lin could help Broly block this kick, but Meng Lin felt that Broly still needed to grow up, so he took this opportunity to teach Broly a little truth. 1 foot. I'm sorry, brother. Meng Lin was too careless. Broly touched his head and said very embarrassed. It's hard to imagine that the Broly in front of him is actually the same person as the burly man who will lose his need after running away. Then you go and solve him now, but won't help you. Feng Lin pointed to the guy who attacked Broly just now and said. The person who attacked Broly was called Majala, and he was as a player from the 4th university. This Majala kept his eyes closed, and people who didn't know thought he was a very powerful character. Squinting eyes are monsters, after all. Couple like this who keep their eyes closed all the time, they open their eaves, they will become very scarred. Lu Menglin knew that this guy was not a very powerful character. He really had problems with his eyes. However, although Majala eaves were invisible, it did not hinder his actions at all. Smell. Of course he can distinguish between himself and the enemy team. His Majala is also weak. Even if he is a normal Broly, he can beat him. 3.7. After a while, Broly had already hung up Magicla and beat her. Wait a minute, Broly, let's give this guy who sneaked up you a gift. Just when Broly was about to knock Majala off the ring, Meng Lin suddenly spoke. For limit how he didn't know what Meng Lin was going to do, but of course Bro completely obeyed Meng Lin's words, so he stopped immediately. This time, Majala was already lying on the ground, injured all over her body. If Meng Lin hadn't said clearly to Broly before that no one should be killed, it is estimated that Majala would be dead by now. Broly doesn't care about the rules of the tournament of Po, he only listens to what Meng Lin says. Broly, take your shoes off. Meng Lin called to Broly on the side. Soon, Broly took off his shoes and gave them to Meng Biao. When Broly took off his shoes, suddenly, a very horrible smell filled the air. If it wasn't for Meng Lin to hold his breath in time, it is estimated that Meng Lin would also be defeated by the smell. But even if he held his breath, Meng Lin could still feel a horrible smell entering his nose. Broly had always lived on Wampa before, and it was no different from living in the wild. Therefore, Broly has never paid much attention to his own hygiene. Sometimes, I don't even take a bath for dozens of days. After Broly was brought back to Earth by Meng Lin handed him over to Whis for training. Therefore, Broly never had the time and opportunity to take care of himself. So, it goes without saying what a terrifying weapon Broly's shoes are. Even Meng Lin, who was already holding his breath, still felt that he could smell it, not to mention Majala, who fell on the ground. Majala can't said with I5, one moves by smell. In other words, Majala's nose is very G0 odd. Usually, Marikla would cover her nose with her hands to prevent herself from smelling too much. 5. Herifair, Broly's shoes are the scariest weapon for hit. Although there is a rule that weapons cannot be used in TH Power Conference, shoes are not considered weapons. Otherwise, everyone should not wear shoes. As soon as Broly took off his shoes, Marilla could already smell the horrible smell. Lur quickly covered his nose to prevent his nose from smelling the SMLL. However, the reason why Meng Lin asked Broly to take off his shoes was to deal with Majala, so how could 25 let him succeed? So, one of Meng Lin's hands pulled Maglela's hands apart, and the other hand held Broly's shoe and then buckled the shoe Majala's nose. Maglela only felt a smell that could destroy the world kept drilling into her nose. He was almost fainted by the smell. Majala quickly held her breath to prevent herself from smelling it. But it was useless because Meng Lin would tickle Majala time to time, making Majala unable to hold her breath at all. Not only that, but it was too itchy, and Majis couldn't break free from Meng Lin's shackles. So Majis can only relieve the itch by laughing. The smile caused problems because Majala directly opened his mouth wide. This time, Majala not only smelled the smell with his nose but also swallowed the smell with his mouth. Majala only felt that her body was rolling like a turbulent wave, and she almost vomited out the rectal. After a while, Majala couldn't bear the smell anymore, owned at the mouth, and passed off. Feng Lin returned the shoes to Broly and threw Majala, who had fainted, off the ring. Remember, don't underestimate the enemy. Fike did you. Now, also, don't follow me, you can find someone to fight alone. See, you can scare if anyone in our universe needs help. You should know everyone in our universe. Meng Lin looked at Broly and said, I'll know them all. Broly nodded quickly. That's good, then you can act on your own. Remember, don't follow me. Meng Lin warned Broly one last time and then let. After Meng Lin left, Broly also acted on his own. Meng Lin's words are completely obedient to Broly. So, Broly started to find people fighting on his own, and if he met someone from his universe, he would help. On the other side, the two nappy friends of the universe, the 6th universe and the 7th universe finally met. Vegeta meets Gabe, and Son Goku meets Caulifla and Kale. Asta and Gabe had nothing to say. They turned into Super Saiyan and started fighting. On the other hand, Son Goku and Caulifla started chatting. Hill, you are Saiyan roam the 7th universe, right? Caulifla looked at Son Goku and said, That's right, you are Saiyan from the 6th universe, right? John Goku nodded and then said the Samo. Heard from Meng Lin from your universe that our Saiyan have more than one transformation, right? Hurry up and teach me. The other transformation. As a reward, I will use the transformation you taught me to eliminate you. Then I will seek revenge on that Meng Lin. Caulifla has never forgotten his scene where she was hanged and beaten by Meng Lin. This is the greatest humiliation she has ever received. Although after Meng Lin left, her big brother gave her hard education and put her in confinement. But Caulifla has never given you the idea of seeking revenge. On Meng Lin, she also took advantage of the time of confinement to pull Care to train non-stop. The current Caulifla and Kalo are much stronger than when Meng Lin went to planet Sharada. That Caulifla still didn't think she would be Meng Lin's opponent, that's why she wanted to learn a new transformation so much. Only in this way can she seek revenge on Meng Lin. If it was Meng Lin on Vegeta, I would definitely be very upset about what Caulifla said, but Son Goku was not. Instead, he nodded at Caulifla. That's right, our Saiyan has more than one transformation. Son Goku nodded towards Caulifla. Then, at 590, Son Goku transformed from Super Saiyan to Super Saiyan Blue once. Seeing Caulifla, envious and excited, quicker teach me them all. Caulifla quickly said to Son Goku, as if Son Goku must teach her. This is not good, I can't teach you all the transformations. Why are you so stingle? I don't care, you just want to teach me all the transformations. Caulifla said was displeased. What one teen is, the subsequent transformation is still a bit difficult for you, who should learn this transformation first. Eyeing so, Son Goku became Super Saiyan Eel, and told Caulifla his secret of becoming Super Saiyan I. Caulifla, who has mastered the Sakra soon, becomes Super Saiyan and then begins to fight with Son Goku. You are Son Goku roam our universe, I am here to help Wo. At this moment, Broly suddenly appeared and said to Son Goku, Le has always followed Meng Lin's words. Whoever sees his universe must help. No, you don't have to come here. Cal, I'll leave it to you. On Goku and Caulifla said at the same time. In Rally and Kyle looked at each other. For some reason, they all saw a familiar feeling from each other. Although they have never met each other before, for some reason, Broly and Kale feel a very familiar feeling from each other inexplicably. They both seem to see their own shadows in each other. But the only difference is that Kale looks very cowardly. She looks at Broly trembling unexpectedly, and her whole body trembles non-stop. Broly looks a bit simple and honest, giving people a very honest feeling. It's hard to imagine that such two people would undergo earth-shaking changes after falling into a rampage. Son Goku and Caulifla had a great time fighting there, while Broly and Kale were much quieter. But then, Broly launched the attack first. Meng Lin asked him to help the people in his universe. Since Son Goku was fighting Caulifla, this Kale was his opponent. He doesn't care if the opponent is soft or not, or looks cowardly or not, anyway, just fight, and it's over. As for Kale, seeing Broly rushing towards her, he panicked and didn't know what to do. To this moment, she had completely forgotten that she was also Saiyan Zinel. Owen, Broly came in front of Kale and then punched Kale hair. Wow, Broly's punch directly caused Kale to spit out a mouthful acid water and then fell to the ground. You are so weak. Broly looked at Kale, who fell on the ground, said something and then continued to attack. Little Kale was indeed weak before he became Wan Chao. It is impossible for 3 Broly to have no room to fight back. Loot, it's a pity that Kale's combat power will only bloom for Caulifla. Once someone does something to Caulifla, then Kale will fall into a state of berserk. Normally, even if someone beat Kale severely, Kale probably wouldn't be angry. Kale, and the other side, Caulifla, who was fighting Son Goku, saw that Kale was beaten so badly by Broly, and cried out very worriedly. They wanted to save Kale, but Son Goku was so hard on him that Caulifla couldn't TGCT away. On the other side, Broly had almost beaten Kale, and if he continued to teat Kale up, he would probably kill Kale. Broly didn't continue to do anything. He grabbed Kale hair with one hand, lifted Kale up from the ground, and then ruthlessly threw him to the edge of the ring. He's going to throw Kale out of the arena. Kale, seeing that Kale was about to fall off the ring, Caulifla suddenly burst out with a very powerful force in her panic. He got rid of Son Goku's entanglement and rushed toward Ale quickly. Finally, when Kale was about to fall into the ring, Caulifla arrived in time and rescued her. Kale, are you okay? Seeing Kale's scarred appearance, Caulifla asked very worriedly. I'm fine, Kale said very weakly. You bastard, how dare you beat Kale so badly? Caulifla gently put Kale aside, then stared at Broly with wide-eyed eyes, and said through gritted teeth. Caulifla rushed toward Broly, forgetting about Choma opponent, Son Goku. Seeing Caulifla fight with Broly, Son Goku was a little baffled. Obviously the two of them played well, why did they suddenly hang their opponent? Loot Caulifla is already fighting Broly now, and Son Goku ain't have the habit of 2 against Ong. Lur took one look at Caulifla and Broly, then turned to fight others. Caulifla becomes Super Saiyan Eel, and Broly fights together. While Bros is the norm, here will be no Super Saiyan transformation. But with Broly's strength, he can compete with Caulifla even if he is normal, and even gain the upper hand. After all, it is too exaggerated to pass on the bloodline, and the combat power double every year. After so many years, Broly's normal combat power is already a very strong figure. Can't let Caulifla be Super Saiyan 2, even if she is Super Saiyan 3, she won't be Broly's opponent. So it didn't take long for Caulifla to gradually fall into a disadvantage. In the end, it has completely become the state where Broly is pressing down of Caulifla. Kale, who was lying on the ground, saw Broly holding Caulifla mercilessly, and a wave of anger slowly began to appear in his heart. As Caulifla was beaten more and more miserably, this anger became more and more intense. When Caulifla was defeated by Broly again, and Broly was still choking Caulifla's neck, planning to throw Caulifla off the ring, this anger finally reached its peak. Then, it exploded. Wow TL, with Kale's roars, it is a very powerful force, plus Manet from her. He aura generated by Kale alone caused the nearby player to be blown away one by OND. No one can come near Kale. Then, Kale's appearance changed, as did the color of her hair. In the end, Kale's pupils disappeared, figure became taller and burlier than before, and his hair turned green. And there is a layer of green flames shrouded around her. Initially, after seeing Caulifla being treated so cruelly, Kale finally fell into a berserk state. Raw, less than Ale, who was in a state 1 berserk, let out a roar, and directly sent those people around him flying. Just a roar has such great power, and Kale's performance directly made other universe players stupid. Nice job, Kale, that's ITL, throw everyone off, Mel. In the auditorium of the 6th universe, Champs shouted excitedly. He was very satisfied with Kale's current appearance. It's just that Kale ignored Champa's yelling, and Kale, who was in a state of berserk, lost his mind. Not to mention Champa, she won't even listen to Caulifla. Failed then immediately attacked Broly. Although Ale has lost her mind now, her instinct tells her that he must give Broly a hard time. He ran away. Kale was really too strong. Broly didn't react, and was directly hit by Kale. Broly was sent flying. Bale's kick. If it wasn't for Broly's stance from the edge of the ring, it is estimated that Kalechik would have directly kicked Broly off the ring. Afore it was over, Kale rushed towards Broly again. Kalo, who lost her mind, didn't know what it meant to stop. She just kept attacking. After being slapped by Ka, Broly also broke out as a person with the same bloodline as Kale. Broly will, of course, go berserk. But he himself knew very well that once he fell into a runaway state, he would completely lose his mind. At that time, don't say it is an enemy. Even your own people will attack. Although Meng Lin handed Broly to Whis for training, he hoped that Whis would allow Broly to master the power of Chuanchao. But after all, the time is too short, there are only a dozen hours. Even Whis can't let Broly fully grasp it. So, after the tournament of power started, Broly never used this power. But now, under Kale's violent beating, Broly finally couldn't restrain himself, and he finally broke out. A powerful aura not lost to Kale emanated from Broly, and similarly, Broly's body shape also began to change. After a while, Broly's appearance completely changed. Except for the difference in face, everything else is almost exactly the same. He two superstars, Saiyan, finally met at this moment. The momentum on Kale and Broly was as strong, and no one else could approach them at all. And it's not just the players near the two. Even the players in other places in the ring can feel the powerful power of 500. From the two. Nice job, Brawler. Didn't expect you to transform like this. Iris looked at Broly in the ring and said loudly, then glanced proudly at Champa. You must know that when Kale transformed before, Champa was so proud and so arrogant. I didn't expect this Broly to transform like this. Lekos Broly was recruited by Meng Lin. Baruz never knew what was good about Broly. Now he finally knows that the aura emanating from Broly alone has far surpassed Son Goku and Vegetal. Broly can finitely be called the second master of the seventh universe, second only to the existence Si Meng Yuan. This came as a surprise. Beerus, it's just that, whether it's Kale or Broly, they all fell into a state of rampage and lost their minds. The other players in the arena will soon know how terrifying they Evo powerful but irrational guys are and what kind consequences they will cause. Ale and Broly rushed towards each other. They had lost their minds and didn't know what it meant to hold hands, AFBG, what it meant to dodge. Each of their attacks was flesh and blood, and their fiats Novembered from one place to another. His is a pain for the other contestants. Because the impact of the battle between Kale and Broly was too strong, those contestants who were not strong enough were hit by the shock wave one after another. The better ones fell to the ground and were injured, while the worst ones were knocked out of the ring by the shock wave. Oops, seeing Kale's runaway appearance, Caulifla immediately felt bad. Although the strength of Kale in this form is terrifying, his shortcomings are too obvious. If this continues, it is estimated that Kale and Broly will tear down the entire ring. And if the fight continues, one of Kale and Broly will definitely die, and the greatest possibility is that they will die together. Of course Caulifla would not let this happen, so she wanted to stop Kale. Suit Kale, who was in a rampart, couldn't even listen to Caulifla's words, so Caulifla's stop was useless at all. And at this time, figure suddenly appeared in Caulifla's sight. Meng Ling, your name? Meng Lin, right, that's right, the person who suddenly appeared in front of Caulifla was none other than Meng Lin. He was wandering around in various places on the ring, but he suddenly felt the aura of Broly running away, so he hurried over. Broly still can't control his Runawa state, this Whis has already told Meng Lin before. So, once Broly fell into a runaway state, Meng Lin had to store him. Ro, isn't this Caulifla, that Kale of yours has gone berserk? Again, Meng Lin looked at Caulifla and said, for this female Cillian, Meng Lin ha never had a good impression. That is the person from your seventh universe. Is there a way you stop him? Quote, if the fight continues, they will Aldi. Caulifla was not in the mood to quarrel with Meng Lin. She looked at Meng Lin and said very anxiously, it's very simple, just knock them out. Meng Lin said very casually. Anyway, this is a very simple math for him. After speaking, Meng Lin started to act. If he waited a little longer, something would really happen. Meng Lin dodged between Broly and Kyle. and Cassidy blocked the attacks of Kale and Broly. Then, Meng Lin gave them a punch and knocked them unconscious. For convenience, Meng Lin also became Super Saiyan God. After being knocked out, Kale and Broly excited the Rampage state, respectively. At this moment, 5 figures suddenly appeared in front of Meng Lin and the others. Who are you? Seeing the 5 people who suddenly appeared, Caulifla asked hastily. Now that Kale had fainted, 5 people suddenly appeared, and the situation was very bad for them. Wasn't too worried. Fortunately, there was Menelin beside her, so Caulifla. It's them, the ones who caused the chaos and knocked Sean down, said one of the 5. And seeing these 5 people, Meng Lin recognized them. Immediately, you are the proud team of the 11th universe. Meng Lin looked at the 5 people and said, that's right, I'm Team Pridal. Then, the 5 people reported the names and post IR various posts. Seeing these 5 people, Meng Lin suddenly thought of Frieza's men, the Ginyu Special Forces. Has 5 members of the proud team really have TH Smina of Ginyu and the others? The 2 of them knocked one of our partners out of the ring, and we will never let anyone hurt our partner. The leader, Kaisula, said. Lacoste Toppo didn't tell them about Meng Lin, they didn't know there was such a number one person as Meng Lin. The wise, even if they had 100 guts, they wouldn't dare to trouble Broly and Kale. For Team Pride, these so-called partners of justice, Meng Lin, have no affection at all. With a guy like the Oppo with Twisted Justice as the captain, how can the other members of the Proud team be better? In the Proud team, Jiren is probably the only one who can give Meng Lin a high look. Because Jiren's justice is what he thinks is justice, therefore, Meng Lin didn't have any good impressions of the 5 members of Team Proud. Because their partner was beaten down by Broly and Kale, they couldn't let go of the guy who hurt their companion, so they came to Broly and Kale for revenge. Even a person who can say this kind of thing actually keeps saying the word justice. To put it nicely, they call it revenge for their partners. To put it bluntly, they just used this as an excuse to make their actions against other players appear more just. In essence, there is no difference between them and those who attack the contestants of other universes for the survival of their own universes. Even these members of the Proud team are more annoying than others. Because their behavior is so disgusting. In the auditorium, Beerus watched the scene and said to Wormut not far away. I said, Wormut, your 11th universe is about to lose 5 people. In addition to the loss just now, your universe will suddenly become the smallest number of people. The relationship between Beerus and Wormu is not good. In addition, Meng Lin beat up both Toppo and Wormut during the last Panorama competition. The relationship between the 2 universes is even worse. Io Bakras taunted without mercy. And there was nothing Wormut could do about Beerus. Mocking, Lur didn't even bother to remind those 5 Proud Tier members. After messing with Meng Lin, they still want to escape. Kyle and Broly just fainted now, so naturally, they couldn't fight these 5 people. Therefore, the task of dealing with the 5 Proud Tier members fell on Meng Lin and Caulifla. Let them be dealt with by me, and you will take good care of them both. Meng Lin glanced at Caulifla and said calmly. Litho, these 5 members of the Proud team are really took the week. If you really want to seal with them, Meng Lin can kill him with a single breath. But since their justice is also very distorted, Meng Lin is very happy to correct their justice. For tear apart their hypocritical justice to do very much. So Mitina Menelin. But Caulifla wanted to say something, but Meng Lin didn't give her this chance. One must know that Meng Lin didn't lick Caulifla either. If Ivan wasn't for the fact that she still had to take care of Broly, he would have thrown her and Kale off the ring first. Let me ask you a question. I don't know how long it took Yox to restore headquarters when it was destroyed last time. Oming in front of the 5 people, Meng Lin looked at and asked. Meng Lin remembered that when he went to the Pride team's headquarters last time, he didn't these people, so he probably went out. Our headquarters is destroyed. What nonsense are y'all talking about? Who can destroy our headquarters? Asela looked at Meng Lin and said with a sneer. Lur never knew his headquarters had been destroyed. When they returned to the headquarters last time, the headquarters was still same, with no chance of being destroyed at all. It seems that Angel Fronra universe made a move. Alloyant matter, you can ask your Captain Topo V the time ohms. See if your headquarters has ever been destroyed. By the way, let me tell you another piece of 900 news. LWAS the one who destroyed your headquarters. And your Captain Topo was I so severely taught by me. I don't know if you know about it. Don't these 5 people claim to be partners of justice? Then Meng Lin should just be a big villain. After finishing speaking, Meng Lin disappeared in Black Rit waiting for the 5 people to say anything. For these 5 people, Meng Lin is not that BL often interest. It Air Captain Topo comes, he can't talk about it. I have been to your 11th universe, and one have also chatted with the residents of your universe. Do you know that you members of the Proud team have bad reputation in the 11th universe? Meng Lin first grabbed one of the 5 people who were shot, and threw into the air. Meng Lin kicked him like a football, kicking that guy out of the ring. Do you know that what you think of as justice is simp? Unnecessary to the rest of your universe. Meng Lin grabbed the hair of the only female player with one hand, threw the player in the air a few times, and threw her out of the ring. Do you know that because of her existence, the life of people, your universe is a pain. They even have to be careful about doing small things, for FK of being considered evil by you. Don't ask for flowers. Do you still know that you think you are partners of Justico maintaining the peace of the entire universe? But in fact, you are the most evil existence in the 11th universe. As a sentence came out of Meng Lin's mouth, members of TH Proud team were thrown off the ring by Meng Lin. In the end, ONH one of the 5 people remained. You're Nancy Casella, right? I remember that you seem to be a fighting genius who has conquered man planets. Then let me ask you, LS your act of conquering the plan, justified? Or as a member of the Proud team, no matter what you do is just, what others do is wrong. Meng Lin grabbed Casella by the neck and lifted him up from the ground. The planets I conquered are all planets that endanger the universe. I conquered them to maintain the peace of the universe. For limit how he was strangled by the neck. Casella STLL spoke with great difficulty. Meng Lin is insulting his justice. This is absolutely not allowed by Casella. 5 you killed them in the name of justice. Then what is the difference between your behavior and those people? Meng Lin squinted at Casella, then threw him into the air, and then punched him, knocking Casella out of the ring. At this point the Pride team's 5-member pair was completely wiped out, and it took less than a few minutes. At this time, Broly and Kale also woke up. But they can't remember what happened when they ran Ava. I'm sorry brother Meng Lin. Didn't restrain myself. Broly walked to Meng Lin's side, Tien Fen said embarrassed. A looked at Meng Lin worriedly, afraid that Meng Lin will blame him. I don't blame you, but after this strength conference is over, you should train a lot and try to control yourself as soon as possible. Meng Lin said to Broly. If he can't control the runaway state, then Broly can't full display his strength. Limits are also a huge loss for 7th universe. Seeing that Meng Lin didn't blame him, Broly also breathed a sigh of relief.